Okay, let's start. Am I audible, everyone? Someone response? Am I audible?
Sir,
Okay, okay. Welcome to the new session of your BTech life. I think I have not take classes of you in the previous semester, right? This is my first time with you. So before starting the class, I want to share some information with you. So as I think you are not familiar with the online classes. The last semester, most of the days you are attending the classes via online mode. The only difference is that this time we are using Cisco WebEx. Earlier it will be Google Classroom or Zoom, but this time it will be Cisco WebEx. But there are some advantages of Cisco WebEx that the bandwidth requirement is very less, and although uh, we have to record the classes, it will be beneficial for us also in the terms of memory in both online and offline. And in your case also, since there is no need to open your camera until it is advised to turn on, it will consume very less amount of internet, and your classes will be of 45 minutes. But in physically it will be 1 hour, but due to this online version, we are taking the classes about 45 to 50 minutes, and the rest 10 minutes is allocated for sign out from a specific class and to rejoin the next class. For this purpose, it will be assigned the 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It depend on the class teacher or the topic. Sometimes it will be more than 45 minutes also, but basically it will be of 45 minutes. And the links will be same for the specific faculty. That means the link you have joined today to attend my classes, the link will be same for the whole semester till the online classes will be going on. The link will be same. So we'll share a detailed list of WebEx link against each and every faculty. So you just simply go to the link and join that particular class. Suppose I have classes on 11 in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you simply copy my link and paste in your WebEx app and you join. Similarly, for other faculty, they have the other link. So for every faculty, there is a specific link, and you have to join accordingly the class routine. So everyone got the class routine. It is already shared. Okay, and when you enter the class via WebEx mode, via online platform, always write your name. This time all of you retain your name, but just for information I'm sharing this. If possible, write your complete name, then it will be better for us to keep the track that these are the students have joined, because today 11 students have joined in the class, but I think you have 16 or 17 students in your class. Okay, it will be help us to keep the track of students who have joined or who are absent during the classes. And some other important point is that today it is an introductory class, but from tomorrow we will start our syllabus. Maybe we initially 2 or 3 days, if the subject requirements are there, we can revise the subjects from the previous semester. Otherwise we simply start our current syllabus. It's depend on the syllabus requirement, or also depends on the faculty and students. But from tomorrow onwards, the actual classes will be there, and you have to join accordingly. In routine it will be from 9:15, but actually it will be from 9. Since it is an online class, it will be from 9 to 9:45, then 10 to 10:45, similarly like this. So from OP it will be from 11. Maybe sometimes it will be changes from 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, but that's timing will be like this. And I think your mentor have mentioned that from this semester your attendance is mandatory. That means in the last semester, Can you hear me?
We can hear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, in the last semester, actually, the attendance is somewhat it is not mandatory, but from this semester, uh, it will be mandatory. So every time you attend the classes, after attending the classes, someone said that I'm not audible. Jitul, Jitul, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you now.
Oh, okay, okay. Uh, in the last semester, actually, the attendance is not mandatory, but from this semester, attendance is mandatory. So I think for this proper guideline will be already shared. But I just to share my point of view and for information that for today's class, if you are attending classes on 17th, the respective faculties will update the attendance for today's class by today. Okay, if some emergency arise and the faculty member is unable to attend the update, he or she will inform you. So otherwise, it is a basic condition is that every day or on the same day the faculty will update the attendance. And once the faculty member update the attendance in your student portal, there is a pop-up window where you have to give the feedback means you have to give some input in terms of ratings, okay, uh, based on the classes. So once the faculty member update the attendance, from that point for 24 hours this feedback option is available. Suppose for 17th August class, for today's class, by today itself, I will update the attendance, and by tomorrow you have to give the input from your end in terms of some stars. Okay, so it's your prime responsibility to visit your student portal on regular basis, because if you miss the rating section, your attendance will not be considered, because everything is done by the system itself. If any input from any side is missing, then your attendance will be not counted. So that means every time you have to visit the student portal in daily basis. That means in daily basis you have to visit your student portal 2 to 3 times for the latest information along with the feedback section. Okay, this is your prime responsibility apart from the attending of the classes. And until the further notification comes from the concerned authority, the classes will be on online mode. So make sure that everything will go fine. If you have any network issue, so better to ensure a place where the network connectivity is good. If you have any query, continuously connect your faculty members via WhatsApp or via other platform to clear your doubts. That means since no physical classes will be possible right now, so everything will be done via virtual mode. And I think all of you are nowadays most of you are familiar with the online version, so it will be not very difficult for us to adopt the new one. So it's simply a change of the software. Everything will be same. Initially it will be on Zoom or suppose in Google Classroom, but this time it will be on WebEx. The rest is okay. This is some basic information I want to share with you. And the next thing is for this semester I will take the course called Formal Language and Automata. Okay, simply or in short, it is a flat Formal Language and Automata. In some other university it will be like Theory of Computing, TOC, Theory of Computation, Formal Language and Automata. These are the it is almost similar. And in this particular course, what we will discuss, so basically till now, till fourth semester, whatever you have gone through the subjects, you simply you are getting the practical aspects of a computer. Suppose you have gone through the programming, you have gone through suppose database, you have gone through some algorithms, Okay, that means the practical aspects or practical uses or practical mechanism of a computer system where you can run the system, you can do your applications, you can do your programming physically. But in that particular flat or particular course, what we will discuss the theoretical aspects. Okay, theoretical aspects of a computer system. That means physically when you write a program, you simply initialize some variables, you simply initialize some commands, you take input, you will get output, you do some execution or something like that. This is the physical where you get the output. You give some input, you write some program, you give some input and you get some output. These are physical aspects of a computer system. But in this particular uh, course, we'll discuss how theoretically a computer works. Okay, how theoretically a computer system works. So, in that particular course, we'll discuss about this. And for this, there are some most popular term called DFA. We have to discuss on DFA, then NFA, then pumping lemma, then we will have regular expression. Okay, we have to go through some alphabets, we have to go through some grammar. Okay, yeah. Then different means suppose you are suppose going through the theoretical picture of a computer system. Suppose theoretically you are going to study a computer system, this is the system, and behind the physical aspects, these are the theoretical aspects where a computer system works. And in your in your ERP, when you go through the notes section, I have already shared the notes related to your particular course, and that's are not the limited one. Okay, these are some basic notes or basic points I have already uploaded in ERP. Apart from this also, we'll discuss so many topics. I will share the notes, I will suggest some websites from where you can go through and collect the notes, because if already the notes is available, then no need to give the notes in the class. It's simply a wasting of time. So instead of that, where the notes are available, I will share the links, I will share the websites where from where you can go and collect the notes. And those notes are not available properly, I will arrange these notes and share with you. But always remember, and the one thing, that don't depend on the notes which are available on ERP or which are going to provide by me. Try to create the notes by your own, and for this you can take the references of the notes I have shared, because uh, once you prepare the notes by yourself, because nowadays you will get some time, you will be at your home, so you will get some extra time as compared to where you live in your PG. There are some disturbance or something like that. Here you will get some extra time. Utilize this time and try to prepare some notes by your own, by taking the information provided by from my side. Then what is the benefit of that? When you prepare the notes by yourself, and while preparing it, you will go through each and every point, and 40% work has been done at that point itself. That means out of 100, suppose if you measure on a scale of 100, out of 100, 40% 40% notes already comes in your mind. And before the exam, when you go through the notes, you will remember, oh, I have prepared the notes, I remember these things. It will be very much beneficial, instead of depending on the notes prepared or shared by the faculty. It's my personal advice to all of you, that always try to prepare some notes from your end of each and every courses, by taking the references or taking the notes provided by your faculty members as a reference. It will be definitely benefit all of you. And when while there are some limitations also in online classes, because when you are physically interact with each other, it will be very much easy to clear some doubts or something like that. But in online, suppose suddenly due to the network you are unable to hear some point shared by me or something like that, so don't hesitate. You just inform me that these are the points I have missed due to the poor connectivity or due to some reason. Please repeat in the next class, or in the group itself, or in the personal message also you can share these points that I have some doubt in these points, or we can arrange some exact extra classes also, or in the next classes we can share this information. But always remember one thing: the particular subject called flat, which I am going to teach you, I am going to explain you, it is a very important course, very important course in terms of your higher studies, in terms of your interview. If you are appearing, you are planning to appear in gate, this is one of the most important subject for appearing in gate exam. Okay, if you are after suppose masters, if you are appearing in net exam, national eligibility test also, this subject is very important. In interview also you will get the questions from flat or TOC, the theoretical computing. Sorry, you will face questions from the theoretical computing portion. Okay, so that means this course is very much important. And I will share all the importance notes to you. Some portions have already shared via ERP, and the portion which is not possible to share via ERP, I will share via material in Google Classroom, also in WhatsApp group also I will share. No issue on that. But just one thing you have to remember, that although it is a virtual class and we are not able to see you because the network bandwidth, or you have to turn off your computer, turn off your, sorry, not computer, your webcam or something like that, but make sure that you will attend the classes properly. It's not like that you simply log in the meeting and roam around somewhere. It is not. Make sure that, because we are trying our best to ensure that you will go through the courses properly, you will get the proper information, so that at the end that it is not like that it will be not like that. Suppose, since there's no class, no physical class, I am not getting the proper information of that particular course. So that's why make ensure that this is your class timetable. Suppose from 9 to 4 you have to attend the class. Initially you have to come to our university, you have to sit in the classroom, and you have to attend the classes. But this time, suppose you are not attending physically but virtually, you have to maintain this routine. From 9 a.m you start your classes, every faculty will join one by one. You have to join your classes one by one, and till 4 it will be you will be free, and you have to maintain this. If you are not maintaining this, then you will be in the lost side, because we are not fully aware that who are attending or who are not. We are trying our best. So you have to make sure that you are attending the classes regularly in proper way. If sometimes due to some other work, if someone is forget to start the session, immediately someone of you immediately call or message, sir, we have a class. Okay, we have a class, please start the class. Or like this, you have to show your interest in the class, because after all it's your it's all about your knowledge, all about your courses. If you are not getting proper information during the particular semester, then you are in the lost sight. Okay, so that's why make sure that all of you are attending the classes regularly, in proper time, in proper way, and listen the classes carefully. And if some faculties, if someone forget to start the classes, you have to, suppose your CR or anyone of, not only CR, because CR is someone is represent, but it's not his or her responsibility every time. Any one of you simply get a give a reminder that, sir, we have a class. Okay, it's your responsibility. Lunku, Lunku, you mute your mic. Okay, but that is what I want to share uh, as a first class. From today, by today, I will share the syllabus with you in the WhatsApp group. Go through the syllabus, and from tomorrow, we'll start our actual uh, syllabus. Okay, this is what I want to share with you. And now, anyone have any query? Anyone? Suppose Ankumani.
Hello.
Hello. Let's start
Uh,
with Ankumani. Suppose one by one. I will tell the names. Ankumani, is it okay? Any network issue with you?
No, sir, no network issue.
Not everything is okay.
Yes, sir, yeah. I'm
Okay,
all good.
okay, good. Next, Sanglim, Sanglim. Can you hear me? Hello, Sanglim. You unmute yourself. Sanglim, you are not audible. Okay, then next, Shrish Levon.
Uh, and for my best.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Who? Sanglim.
No, sir, it's me, Chris.
Okay. Is everything okay? Any network
Yes,
problem?
sir, it is fine as long as. Yes, sir, I'm having some network problem, but interacting like this is fine as long as it's not something related to video sharing and all.
Okay. That means from your side, no need to turn on the camera or something like that, or it will consume less memory, less your data. Okay. Next, Jitul.
Hello, sir.
Is everything okay?
Yes, sir. Everything is okay.
Okay, good. The next, Neha. Neha.
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, everything is fine.
Okay, good. Then Luknu. So for
Hello?
yes, Luknu. Bolo.
Sir, one thing is, sir, last time in UP class, I cannot enter in classroom.
But
It will
because
get
it is automatically locked, that's why maybe sir forget to unlock. It's okay, but that's why try to log in on a dedicated time. After that, it will be locked. Then if it is locked, then give the concerned faculty a message that please unlock, sir. I am waiting. Okay. That's why
Yes, sir.
always
Sir,
maintain the time. It will be better.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and regarding sir network, I'm not sure about in our area.
Okay. Sometimes
Some
maybe from at our end also maybe there are some network issues sometimes, but most of the times
yes, sir.
I think it is okay nowadays. It is almost okay, but sometimes maybe there are some issues. Maybe there. It's okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Then Neil Ratan Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Is everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good.
Yes, sir.
Then Prasanjit.
Yes, sir. Everything is fine.
Everything fine. Good. Then Saidur.
Yes, sir, it's good.
Good. Then Trideep.
Yes, sir. All okay.
All okay. Then Wilson.
Yeah, it's good, sir.
Wilson Tripura. Your title is Tripura or you are from Tripura?
I am from Tripura and my surname also Tripura.
Your surname also Tripura.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. If you since it is a first class, you can turn on your camera so that we can at least from first day we can do a interaction. Everyone turn on your camera. Since it is a first day, it will be better if we do a interaction and dress properly. Okay, because some emergency will be there and you have to turn on your computer. So although you are at home, at least uh, dress properly. Not no required to wear the uniforms, but at least dress properly. Okay, those who have any technical issue, it is not mandatory you have to turn on your computer. But since it's a first class, it's okay. Who can turn on, you turn on. Otherwise, those who have problem, then it's okay.
Sir, campus sir কেতিয়া খুলিব sir offline class?
Offline class to এতিয়ালৈকে একো তেনেকুৱাটো অহা নাই. On 25th August, maybe Assam Gov will take some decision. তেনেকুৱা নিউজ পাই আছো 25th আগষ্টত কিবা ডিচিশন ল'ব পাৰে ছেপ্টেম্বৰ পৰা খুলিব নেকি it is not finalized yet but till that this is the way to attend the classes so টাইমত আহিবা সবে টাইমত ক্লাছ এটেন্ড কৰিবা ঘৰত শুই শুই বহি বহি ক্লাছ এটেন্ড কৰিব পাৰিবা আৰু কি লাগিছে আৰু আৰামত
নাই স্যার বহুত দিন হৈ গ'ল স্যার 6 মাহ হৈ গ'ল আৰু এতিয়া